Guys, i-update ko lang kayo sa current situation namin ngayon, which is everybody knows that we are moving overseas. At lilipat kami sa Europe, definitely. At couple of days, nagkaroon na ako ng farewell party, which is the last party here at my home. Kasi nakita nyo naman, sold out na siya. So we really need to pack and we really need to move. Kasi may titira na siya in a couple of weeks. So, papakita ko lang guys yung current situation sa bahay ko, which is right now, at this moment, naglilipat talaga kami. At makikita nyo to guys kung saan, most of my video, dito siya ginaganap, dito sa area na to. Kita nyo, diba? Sobrang linis na talaga. So, I'm just gonna show you around kasi mamimiss ko yung bahay na to. So, at least meron akong memories. At talagang, it's so sad. I can't explain the emotion right now, but I'm sad, at the same time I'm happy. I'm looking forward for the new journey in my life and the new beginning. But yes, so tara na, pakita ko sa inyo yung current situation bago kami umalis. So ayan guys, the house are sold. So nakakalungkot, it's so sad situation right now. Sobrang mamimiss ko yung bahay na to. So, gagawa tayo ng video for today para at least may memories tayo. As you can see, naglalakad ako. Especially the garden. Guys, look, sobrang laki ng garden. Excuse me. So, that's my car. So, dito sa area na to, which is nagpa-party kami every year. Birthday ni Tuti. So, dito talaga nagaganap lahat. It's so sad. I'm so sad. I'm going to miss this all. So, ayan. Makikita nyo. Clip natin. Wala na siyang gamit. Wala na siyang mga halaman. Kasi nabenta na siya. So, ayan. That's my car. So yun na nga, I just want to say thank you for these beautiful memories in our house. Bye, kitchen. Bye. Bye, kitchen. Oh my God. Bye, kitchen. Thank you for such good memories. Guys, parang nangyayakap ko yung kitchen. So, thank you, kitchen. Thank you. And we'll go this way. Guys, kahit luma na yung bahay, pero guys, yung impact nito sa aming pamilya ay sobra talaga. So, by study table, which is, yan, yung kami nag-aano. So, this is another play area ni Tuti. So, iwan na namin yung lights doon. So, bye! Bye. Just wanna say bye sa bawat corner ng bahay. Bye! Bye, bathroom. This is our main bathroom. Bye. See, it's a shower right there. Toilet. So that's it. Bye. This is my vanity wardrobe. So let's go to the bedroom. So dito. Guys, dito sa area na to, dito tayo nagmamodeling, dito tayo sumasayaw, dito, right there sa hallway, which is I'm going to miss this one as well. And, so dito ay ang bedroom ni Tuti. This is Tuti's bedroom. Bye! So that guy, ang view ng bedroom ni Tuti is overlooking. Makikita nyo, there's a swimming pool right there and jacuzzi. So nice view upon the bedroom. So I'm going to miss this place as well. Let's go. So that's it. Buksan na natin. So dito naman is a visitor bedroom. That's it. Overlooking din siya over the window. So that's it. This is Cheryl and John bedroom when they went us to visit and stay right here. So yeah. So let's go outside. This is the laundry area. So may mga labahan pa. Yan. And let's go with the beautiful place kung saan nagpa-party kami most of the time dito guys sa area na to. At right here, nakita nyo naman sa mga ibang vlog ko, diba? So dito talaga kami nagkakaroon ng mga entertainment outside. This is the big swimming pool. Yan, mamimiss ko lahat, everything. So before I end this video, I just want to say, guys, goodbye sa beautiful house namin, which is hindi naman siya palasyo, pero guys, syempre, yung memories na dala-dala nito sa amin while we during stay here, and masasabi kong sobrang daming memories talaga, at I don't wanna see yung mga sad memories. Gusto ko lang yung magaganda, all the good things happening here into my house. At hopefully, sana sa susunod na tumira, alagaan nyo pa rin siya, i-maintain nyo pa rin siya, and you will have a good health and a family blessing. At in this coming Christmas, sana mag-enjoy kayo sa lahat ng entertainment sa bahay na to. At sana, maraming sana, sana maging blessed din kayo, kasi we completely blessed. Masasabi kong hindi naman talaga kami perfect na family, but we're trying to be perfect and strive hard na the family are, you know, stay together and blessed together and have a good health together. And guys, nakita nyo na yung current situation namin right now, na sobrang busy talaga, and everything is going smoothly, at konti na lang yung mga gagawin namin. Kahit nakakapagod guys, sobrang pagod na pagod ako, day by day, nag-i-impake, day by day, nagsusort out ng mga gamit. At habang nag-i-impake ako guys, naramdaman ko na yung pressure. Feeling ko, nape-pressure ako. I don't know, it's such a fixed emotion na hindi ko talaga ma-explain right at this moment. Siguro dahil meron kang mga sentimental value na gusto mong dalihin pero hindi mo madala. Kasi guys, very limitless lang talaga yung madadala namin. Lalo na sa flight, which is, we only have 25 kilos per person. And although nagbabox naman kami, pero maliit pa rin yung box, guys. Ang tagal namin tumira sa bahay na to. Such a long years. It's been 10 years, 11 years, something like that. So talagang sobrang daming mga gamit yung mga naitapon, sobrang daming gamit yung hindi madadala. At hindi yun yung memories. Yung memories lang siguro yung madadala ko guys, which is very treasure. And kaya nag-decide ako na gumawa ng video, at least mapapanood ko siya someday kapag namimiss ko yung bahay, yung part ng bahay na to guys. At yeah, mamimiss ko lahat, everything, not just the house, but the people, my friends, my colleges, my workmates, everything around, everything. Dito sa Australia, mamimiss ko talaga. At yeah, it's sad to say, I will not say goodbye, kasi guys, this is the beginning of my journey. At alam kong marami pa tayong mga memories na iipunin sa bagong beginning. At I want to show it to you guys. So mag-start ulit tayo ng video para mapanood nyo kung saan kami pupunta, kung ano yung maganap sa buhay ko, anong ganap sa buhay ng family ko, and everything. So gumawa ako ng video kasi na-miss nila. Maraming nakamiss, mga relatives ko, mga friends ko back then in the Philippines. So now guys, mapapanood nyo. Medyo sad pa ako guys, hindi pa ako makapagsalita na maayos kasi sobrang pagod pa rin ang lola nyo. Pagod na pagod pa, but kaya yan, laban-laban lang, ganun talaga. Life is like a journey, it's not a destination. That's what they said. So, I'm looking forward for the new beginning, at yeah, I'm so excited. And we'll see you again. Marami pa tayong mga video yung gagawin. Especially now na hindi na ako nag-work, which is dahil, yeah, we have more time to make a lot of video. At i-upload ko lahat yon, I promise you. And I will miss you all guys. So babalik na ako at marami pa tayong gagawin. But i-update ko kayo time to time. And hope don't forget to like and subscribe. And also share my video. At lahat, I was updated sa Facebook guys. Doon talaga ako nagpo-post mga picture, mga video and everything. So we'll see you there. And hope don't forget to Take care of your family, your friends, and everything, and also your mental health. See you guys again. Bye! Ciao!